Friends, today I will show you how to score above 95% in ISC board. Students try really hard, but still some only can cross 95%. But don't worry, now it's very easy and you need to follow some simple steps. Step number 1. Focus more on English. English is a very important subject. English of ISC board is world class and also little challenging. If you score above 90 in English, you can score 95 in ISC with guarantee. English can increase or decrease your percentage. You must learn all the basics like structure of sentences and how sentences are formed. You can ask your English teacher some tips and tricks to score more in essay and report writing. Step number 2. You must follow your books. Only don't go for any reference books except for English. You must stick to your books which are provided by ISC on the syllabus basis. You don't need to follow any other reference books. If any teacher recommends you to follow any particular book, you can follow that. So you must follow the books you are provided with. Step number 3. Study regularly for not more than 3 hours a day. Yes friends, you are listening correct. It's sufficient, but you have to study daily. Complete your homework on time. It is very simple because ISC don't have a lots of questions, so you must solve questions in the books on time as soon as the chapter finishes in school. You don't need to panic more how I will solve the questions, or there are lots of questions and very difficult questions. It is really easy if your concepts are clear. Just you need to go through the chapter once and then you can solve any question given in the book. The quality of questions and the level of the question are really easy. You can see that the JEE main level is so high in comparison to ISC level. So step number 4 is cram all the organic chemistry name reaction by making some stories for learning it. You can learn any type of name reaction for organic chemistry by connecting it to some or other reactions, or you can make some kind of stories for cramming it. For example, Finkelstein reaction if we take. So Finkelstein contains the word Einstein. So you can relate Einstein with some sort of chlorine and sodium. So you can correlate with Einstein word. So you can remember it better. And step number 5 is the last step and very important step. Ace your unit test. You have to crack your unit test with a very good percentage. Set small goals like I have to score above 95% in very first test. It will increase your confidence, which will continue till the end. So guys, thank you very much. Keep studying constantly and best of luck for your ISC 2018 board exams.